is this place, Mama Go?
A running track. This is where athletes come to race each other.
Look at this, an enormous sand pit. It looks perfect for making sandcastles. Yay! Sandcastles!
Ooh, that sand looks like a lot of fun.
You'll have a giant castle built in no time.
Yay! This is the biggest sandcastle I've ever seen.
Oh, no!
It looks like Maya and her friends have built their sandcastle right in the middle of the long jump sand.
Look out! Long jump, long jump. I love to do the long jump.
Oh, no! Miss Coach doesn't see our sandcastle. Stop, Miss Coach! Stop!
Oh, come on, Miss Coach. Time for an extra long jump.
Oh, that was a close one.
Wow! Great jump, Miss Coach.
Oh, that was my longest jump ever.
Well done, Miss Coach. Maya go every day. Maya go laugh and play. Maya go, what do we say? Maya go playground.